I want to do a declutter with me. My refrigerator. I'm going to show you guys how ugly it looks. So help me organize it, guys. Stay with me so you guys can see what I did. Everything is disorganized and I gotta clean up, guys, really bad. Some beers. Anybody want a beer? So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, so I declutter this middle drawer. So I already cleaned it up and it has these little dividers, so I'm gonna start putting stuff in there. Alright, guys, so this is how it ended up. The middle. This is gonna be Sammy's little storage.
I got it.
So all her yogurt, her Lunchable. She loves it. She used to eat it like that. Drinks back there. Little drinks.
Mommy, give
So
me
far
one.
this is what it goes.
One, Mommy, one.
Okay. I'm gonna use these little placemats from the Dollar Tree to put under, to put the stuff on top on the refrigerator. And I got my tomatoes in there already. These are also from the Dollar Tree. Guys, so far this is how it's looking. I still need the drawers down there. So I'm gonna put my tomatoes in this one because I use a lot of tomato. And I got some fruits here, strawberries, lettuce. My tortillas are in the back. I got like my kitty food. My mayo, some of these are Doña Maria stuff. I have all my drinks here. And the milks, you want to have them towards the back because they're lactose. So I mean, they're what's that word? It's milk. You know, it gets bad if you guys have it on the door. And I got my eggs up here. I got some yogurts up here. Greek yogurt. These are yummy, guys. And whoever's doing Weight Watchers, these are only 2 points, so those are good. And this little tray, I have all like my cheese, my sour cream, my cheeses. This one is like my sausage, my ham. So that's what I have there. So that's so far how it looks. And as you guys can see, I put the placemat under, so it'll be easier for me to wipe. Alright, guys, so I went on and put all my vegetables right here and all my fruits. I usually put my fruits outside, but since it's been kind of hot, they get bad faster. So I leave them in the refrigerator for now. So that's so far. This is how it's looking, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna declutter this part from the door. So this is how pretty much it looks. Okay, guys, so this is the ending. This is how the door on the side came out. All the beers, I put them there. All the condiments that we use. Sammy's drawer. Her drinks, her cheese, so she could just grab them. So that's the middle drawer. All my fruits and my veggies on this side. And this is how it looks. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this organization. And I have 2 clear ones here. I don't know still what I'm gonna put there. But that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye, guys.